It is my privilege to introduce our esteemed speaker, Dr. Maulik Kumar Vaja. He is currently working as a professor at the esteemed organization Saraswati Institute of Pharmaceutical Science, Gujarat. Dr. Maulik Vaja has so many international publications. He has published 8 international publications and 7 patents. He has published 11 books, and he has conducted so many workshops on different topics to guide pharmacy professionals like molecular modeling, drug discovery, and so many. He have received huge amount of grant from government of India, and he guided around 5 M Pharma student and 3 PhD scholar. He has 6 years of experience in academics and 1 years of experience in industry. So he has very big biodata. So without taking much time, I request our esteemed speaker to take over the session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bandoo sir, for a kind introduction. So let me share the screen. Is it visible?
Yes, perfect, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Give me just a second. So today I am going to tell you how to succeed in pharmacy competitive exams for higher education. Okay. So after B Farm, most of the students prefer to pursue M-Farm. So to pursue M-Farm, there are different competitive exams. We will discuss first about that, and then after we will discuss about competitive exams for government jobs. Okay. So starting with M-Farm, to pursue M-Farm, the first test is GPAT, that is Graduate Pharmacy Aptitude Test, and the another most important test is NIPER JEE, that is NIPER Joint Entrance Examination. Both are equally important. We will see importance of these exams in the following slides. So first of all, GPAT. What is GPAT? It is entrance exam for master course admission after B.Pharm. So which master course you can pursue after giving GPAT examination? So you can pursue M.Pharm or MS-Pharm. MS-Pharm is degree offered by NIPER, okay, Master of Science in Pharmaceutical Sciences, and then M.Tech Pharm. M.Tech Pharm is offered by several institutes like NIPER and ICT Mumbai, etc. And you can also pursue MBA Pharm after GPAT qualification. Okay. So what is the advantage of GPAT? If you are GPAT qualified students, then you will receive stipend of 12,400 rupees every month, okay, for pursuing M.Pharm. But what is the problem? It is very competitive exam, and pharmacy has very growing scope, so students are preparing very hard for this exam. So if we look at the format of this exam, so GPAT is online computer-based examination. Total 125 questions are there. All the questions are MCQs. Total one question carry 4 marks. Okay, so total 125 multiplied by 4. Maximum marks for GPAT exam is 500 marks. Examination is there, and the duration of exam is 3 hours. Every correct answer, if you give correct answer, then you will award 4 marks, and for wrong answer, 1 marks will be deducted. Okay, so this is the pattern of GPAT examination. If you do not attend any question, then it doesn't have any marking system. Okay, and the questions for GPAT examination is BPharm level syllabus. Whole BPharm syllabus, except BPharm syllabus, some of the few topics are out of syllabus, like some from physical chemistry, and we will see it in next few slides. Okay, so what requires for GPAT? So GPAT requires good preparation strategy. Good preparation strategy means whole BPharm you have to cover for GPAT examination in final year. So starting from first semester, you have to start preparation. But if you have not started your preparation, then you need to decide what which and how you will complete full syllabus. Okay, you need hard as well as smart work, and the most important thing is determination and discipline. Discipline is required for repeat examination. Sincerity and practice is required. GPAT exam have long question. They will give, it is not MCQ based test, but the options they give, they will provide full 2 to 3 lines. Some question have 2 to 3 liners options. So you have to read all these 3 lines, and after that you have to decide which one is the correct answer. So for that, you need to clear your basic concept. Basic concept needs to be clear. Okay. It is not like just reading book or mugging up will work. You need to clear your basic concept. You have to understand the things, and accordingly you can give answers. Okay. So this is about basic concept clear. Then what else is required? Like you need to solve previous year's question papers. Previous year question paper need to be solved. You can get the idea which kind of question they will ask for the repeat examination. So you have to solve previous year question papers, except that the question will be like unpredictable. It is not like that if you read only pharmaceutics, or you read only few topics in each and every subject, and can clear the exam. So it is very unpredictable. So you have to read thoroughly everything. Okay. So what helps in this case? So you need to prepare short notes as well as flashcards on your own. Okay, already prepared materials are available, but it is not of more use, because they prepare those short notes and flashcards for their own preparation. But you have to mug up. If you refer those already prepared short notes and flashcards, then you have to mug up these things. But if you prepare on your own, then it will be really helpful to you. Okay, and the most important thing, revision, revision, and revision is required, and group discussion. So GPAT is the exam which probability will increase by group discussion. Okay, you will qualify the exam if you have very good group and you decide one topic to read and ask each of you what you have read, and what is new or what you understand from that topic. So group discussion is the ultimate thing that will help you for written GPAT examination. Okay, so this is all about GPAT strategy. Next, which subjects will be asked in GPAT examination? So I have divided it in four sections. First is like pharmaceutical chemistry. In pharmaceutical chemistry, the first subject is physical chemistry, then organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, medicinal chemistry, and biochemistry is there. Second part is pharmacology. The main part is pharmacology, in which HAP, clinical pharmacy, therapeutics, pathophysiology, these are the subjects included. The third part is pharmaceutics. in which physical pharmacy, pharmaceutical engineering, jurisprudence, dispensing and hospital pharmacy, and last and most important is biopharmaceutics is there. And the fourth is generalized subject, which includes pharmacognosy, pharmaceutical analysis, technology, and microbiology. So these are the subjects from which they will ask questions. So how will you qualify GPAT examination? There are n number of books available which contain MCQs. Okay, lots and lots of MCQs are there in the books. So just by reading these books, can you qualify GPAT? So the answer is no. You cannot qualify GPAT just by reading MCQs from the books. What you need, so you must have to read or you must have to go for reference books because you need to clear your basic concepts. So to clear your basic concept will be cleared only after reading reference books. Okay, so which reference book you will have question, which reference book should I refer? So here I have given reference books list. So for first we will come to pharmaceutical chemistry subject. So for pharmaceutical chemistry, first is physical chemistry. Physical chemistry was in BPharm syllabus in previous years. Physical chemistry nowadays it is not included in BPharm syllabus, so you can refer 10 plus 2 level material that is important, that is enough for GPAT examination. Except that one book is there, Valentuli, so it is good book for physical chemistry. In physical chemistry, they will ask like general thermodynamics and all that kind of things. Okay. Second important subject is organic chemistry. For organic chemistry, there are several books available like Morrison Boyd, Ball and Ball, Mehta and Mehta. These three books are for general organic chemistry. For name reaction, in GPAT examination, they will ask many name reactions. So for name reaction, you can refer Jerry March book. Okay, this is organic chemistry book by Jerry March. It is good for name reaction. And if you want to read heterocyclic chemistry, so for heterocyclic chemistry, the book name IL Finar. IL Finar book is good for heterocyclic chemistry. So these are the book of organic chemistry for GPAT preparation. Next is stereochemistry. For stereochemistry, one book, P.S. Kalsi. P.S. Kalsi is very good book. Okay, you can refer it. Then pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. Pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry is just basic inorganic chemistry which have facts and figures. So you can refer any books which you have referred in your BPharm semester examination. So I prefer G.R. Chatwal. That is one good book for preparation of pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry. Then the most important subject in pharmaceutical chemistry, medicinal chemistry. So for preparation of medicinal chemistry, there are reference books, Wilson, okay, Poe, except that S.N. Pandya and Asutosh Char is there, but Wilson and Poe is good reference book for medicinal chemistry. And one more book which I have not mentioned here, that is Burger's medicinal chemistry book. Okay, that book has 6 volumes, and if you read that book, Burger's medicinal chemistry, then there is no need to read any other books like for pharmaceutical, organic chemistry, or pharmacology subject is also covered in Burger's medicinal chemistry book. That book is good book. And the last subject in pharmaceutical chemistry, biochemistry. So for preparation of biochemistry, two books I have given. The one is Penarayan and the another book is Leninger. Leninger is reference book which is used for clearing your basic concept in subject biochemistry. Okay, so these are the reference books for pharmaceutical chemistry subject. The next is pharmacology. So for pharmacology, the first book is The first subject is human anatomy and physiology. Okay, so for human anatomy and physiology, tortora, then pharmacology. If you want to read pharmacology, the book KD Tripathi, you can
तुला आवाज
refer KD Tripathi for semester examination, but for GPAT examination, you have to go for Langen there. So most of the question which are concept-based question comes from pharmacology subject. Okay. Now to clear those concepts, you need to refer this Rangendale, Lipin code. KD Tripathi is good, but not good for GPAT preparation. You have to mug up from KD Tripathi. Okay. Then another subject like clinical pharmacy and therapeutics. So the books are Remington, Goodman and Gilman, Satoshner is there. And the last and important subject is pathophysiology, which is the basic of pharmacology subject. If you don't know about pathophysiology, then you will face difficulty in pharmacology. Okay. So before going for pharmacology, you need to clear your pathophysiology subject. And for pathophysiology, books are Harsh Mohan, Soltora, these two are reference books for pathophysiology. After that, the third important subject is pharmaceutics. In pharmaceutics, the first subject is physical pharmacy. So for physical pharmacy, two books are there, C.V.S. Subramaniam and Martin. Okay, C.V.S. Subramaniam and Martin is there. Then second subject is pharmaceutics, in which industry pharmacy and all those will come. So for industry pharmacy and other subjects, Lechman, Alton, Ansel, Remington, these are good books. Okay, don't go for textbook like simple semester-wise subject. Okay, you have to refer these reference books for qualifying GPAT examination for pharmaceutical engineering subject. CVS Subramaniam and Cooper and Gun book is good. Then pharmaceutical jurisprudence. So pharmaceutical jurisprudence, it is again facts and figure like subject. So you can read it from anywhere. Two books are there, GK Jani, NK Jain. These all are good books for preparation of pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Then another is dispensing and hospital pharmacy. So for that, GK Jani. Okay. And the last is biopharmaceuticals, Venkatesh Varlu and Brahmankar. Two very good books are there. And biopharmaceutics, again, from biopharmaceutics, they will ask concept-based question. So for preparation of biopharmaceutics, this Brahmankar and another book which I have mentioned is Venkatesh Varlu, which is good book. The general subject like pharmacognosy, pharmaceutical analysis, biotechnology, and microbiology. For these four subjects, first is pharmacognosy. Again, pharmacognosy. So you can refer it from Kukate, Trees and Divans, Rangari, Wales, and the most important book is Practical Book of Khandelwal. Okay, so in Practical Book of Khandelwal, in at the last they have given all that BS, family, chemical constituent use, and chemical taste. So that book is good for your last minute preparation. That Practical Book of Khandelwal. Okay, then pharmaceutical analysis, the book Pavia, then for means this is for spectroscopic and HPLC for spectroscopy first Pavia, then for chromatography and other techniques, Skoog is there, Remington, Silverstein, then instrumental techniques for instrumental techniques like Chatwal, Kasturi, Vaja, Sharma. You can refer these books for pharmaceutical analysis subject. For biotechnology, again, the book which you have referred for biochemistry subject. So some topics have been covered by Satyanarayan. Then second is Sambhamurthy, and the important book third one is Kokare. Kokate is for pharmacognosy. Kokare is for biotechnology. And the last subject in your BPharm is microbiology. So for microbiology, most important book is Pelchar and Tortora. You can also refer Kokare, but Kokare have miss some topics. So if you want to go for reference books, so Peljala and Tortora are good books for preparation of microbiology subject. Next, after reading these full syllabus from reference books, go for MCQ. Okay. After only completing full syllabus, you can solve MCQ. And during solving MCQ, what you have to look at, so don't just focus on correct answer, which answer is correct. For each and every answer, every question, you have to read all the four options and try to find other three wrong answer and why they are wrong. Okay. So after practicing this, initially it will take some time. Okay, but after practicing, you can solve it in fraction of seconds. Okay, just what you have to do during solving your MCQs. So read all the four options and try to find which are wrong. Don't try to find which is correct answer because GPAT is tricky exam. So this is key. Okay, to solve MCQs. Don't try to find out correct answer. Try to find wrong answer. Okay, and this is, as I have told, it is tricky. So read question twice. Okay, you have to read question twice and just focus on options which are wrong. Okay, so for GPAT 2026, now 25 is in this month only, but for next year GPAT preparation, you have to complete your these all preparation in November 2025. Okay, so you have to complete your full reading of all the subject and start solving MCQs. Okay, so after these all things have to be completed before November 2025, and after that only go for revision for up to GPAT examination. Okay, so this is the basic funda behind qualifying GPAT. So what you can take during your examination, so things not to carry with what you cannot take with you. So like any textual materials, log tables, or any written thing or printed material you cannot take. There are calculations, okay, or some mathematical formulas are there, but take your you cannot carry calculators or electronic watches like smartwatch, slide rules, or mobile phones or any other electrical device you cannot carry with you during GPAT examination. So if we look how we will qualify GPAT examination, so this is the sheet they have published in 2020, GPAT 2020 qualifier. So the topper of GPAT 2020, that Khan Omar, he scored 315 marks. Okay. Then another second rank. This is the first rank 315 out of 500. He scored 315. Second rank 308. Third rank 303. So every time the person qualifies GPAT with first rank, he scored between 310 to 350 marks. 310 to 350 marks. Okay. So no one has scored till date more than 350 marks. Okay. So out of 500, you have to score only 350 to get first rank. So, and here for qualifying GPAT, I have given this whole sheet like for GPAT last year 2024, it is quite high. The cutoff is quite high. For unreserved, it is 248. For OBC class, it is 201. For SC, 10150. For ST candidates, it is 110. And for EWS is economical backward class. So this is a new class and they have 10% reservation. open unreserved general category student can also apply if they have EWS certificate under this category. So if you look at cutoff for general, that is unreserved, it is 248, while if you look at cutoff of EWS, then it is 204 only. So it is additional advantage for you. And the cutoff for last year, the highest marks was 316. As I have told, no one got more than 350. So last year also first ranker got 316 marks only. Okay, and the cutoff 2022 it is 148. This is for 2022. Okay, so this is for 2022. So 148 every time you if you look at the cutoff, it is not more than 200. Just last year, the paper was quite easy, and that's why. And the students are working very hard for qualifying GPAT examination, so the cutoff goes higher. But except that, if you look at the cutoff for other years, in 2022, it is 148, 21, 186, 21, 63. And if you are following other data, then I request you to take your caste certificate from that government agency, and it will give you advantage. Like if you can see here, 186 is for unreserved, but if you have OBC, then the cutoff mark is lower and lower. Okay. So this is for another 2000. I have given these cutoff marks for you from 2013 to 2024. Okay, so 2013 it is 145, 14, 125, 125, 115, 113, 115. So to qualify GPAT, you have to score minimum 200 marks. Okay, so is it like that? How many questions you should attempt? So total 125 questions are there. How many questions? If you attend 50 questions, then 50 multiplied by 4, you will get 200 marks. So you can qualify GPAT. So the answer is no. Because each and every question you attempt, you think it is correct, but it is not necessary. It is correct, and the exam have negative marking. So if you have attended 40 question, total 40 question, and 30 are correct and 10 are wrong, then you will score only 110 marks, not 160 marks. Okay. So how many questions you have to attend? So I have given you one table here. So if you attend 125 question and out of that 100 question are correct and 25 are wrong, which never happened. Okay, you will score 400 marks. No one has scored 400 marks till date. So sorry, 375 marks, but it has never happened. If you attend 125 question and 90 are correct and 35 are wrong, then you will score 325 marks. You will become topper. Okay. And likewise, you can look at this table. So, how many question? Again, the question is same. How many questions I have to attend? So, for at least to score 200 marks, minimum 90 to 100 questions you have to attend. You have to attempt minimum 90 to 100 questions. And to attempt 90 to 100 questions, what you need to do? Okay, what you need to do? So you need accuracy. 90 to 100 questions. So when you go for that preparation, start preparation, start solving MCQ. What you have to focus on for solving MCQ? So just self-evaluation is the important thing. Try to attempt 100 MCQs and look how many accuracy do you have. Okay, minimum 50 percentage, 50 percentage accuracy required to qualify GPAT. Minimum 50 percentage. Like if you have attended 90 questions, so minimum 45 questions need to be successfully answered. Okay, so factors determining GPAT cutoff. the total number of candidates available, total seats available, difficulty of examination. These all factors was decided to for GPAT cutoff. And if we look at expert opinion, so Ms. Rasmi Shukla, she is now in industry, completed her M.Pharm. So what did she tell? So identify the accuracy of your own. That means if we attempt 100 questions, how many question comes out correct and how many wrong? If 50 correct, then 50% accuracy. If your accuracy is below 50, then you need revision. Go for revision and revision and revision. Learning and revision is the ultimate solution after completing whole syllabus. So solving papers by not leaving any question not attempted and then counting the marks, both negative and positive. Go through the wrong answer. Why you cannot attempt this answer or why you have attempted it wrongly. So after that you can you can understand what is the problem with you, okay, and you can improve your accuracy. The another exam, this is all about GPAT. The another exam after BPharm which you can appear is GATE examination. So you have a question like GATE is for engineering
Sir,
student,
Dr. Maulik,
but
sir,
yes,
can you give me 2 minutes to introduce our GPAT course for academic year 2025-26? Can you please?
yeah,
Yeah.
sure,
Can
Bandoo
you
sir,
stop
go for it.
this your sharing? Just can you stop sharing? Yeah. So good morning, everyone. Here, Dr. Bandoo Chatale. I am the founder of Pharmacy Success Hub. I have started Pharmacy Success Hub in 2014 for vision to empower pharmacy professionals. So we conduct so many workshops for training the pharmacy professionals. In last 1 year, we have conducted workshop like workshop on molecular modeling, workshop on the how to search patent drafting, and so many other courses we have conducted like interpretation of NMRs, grant writing, proposal writing, and so many workshops we have conducted. And we are now planning to launch one very new course that is GPAT Booster course. That I want to introduce with you people. That for that purpose, I am just sharing my screen. Yeah. So guys, GPAT Booster course is the course where we have so many uh, expertise there. Can you see my slide? Can you able to see my slide, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have for GPAT Booster course, we have 5 mentors. So first mentor is myself, Dr. Bandhu Chatale. I am researchers and I am specially I will taught you pharmaceutical organic chemistry and pharmaceutical analysis. We have second mentor, so that person is very great personality and today he is speaker for that purpose. Dr. Maulik Vaja, he's a scientist. He's a last 2 years he's a mentor with us, and he's a entrepreneur. He's investor, and has very good expertise in this main domain. We have third speaker that is Dr. Suredra Jatav. He also from NIPER Mohali. He's completed master from NIPER Mohali and he completed his PhD from the Punjab University. We have third speaker mentor that is Dr. Bhushan Varpe. He's a patent agent and he's so much specialized in medicinal chemistry. So he will teach you medicinal chemistry and also he will take some part of analysis. And we have fifth speaker, Payaam. He is all India. CRE exam. He's rank one. He's now NIPERian. He's second year student for pharmacology and toxicology at NIPER Mohali. He qualified GATE exam. He qualified other exams like BITS and ICT. So many exams. He conducts so many live YouTube lecture. So guys, we are launching this product with today with very less price with 4,500 only. So if you are willing to join, then most welcome. We are also launching third product that is we have DI. We are launching second product, the drug inspector preparations. So I'm pasting link with you people, and then you can have take experience of that. If you are willing to register for this, I'm just pasting its link in the chat box. Okay, guys. Just I'm pasting all detail in chat box. So if you are willing to register, you have link and you can register today before 10 a.m. 10 p.m. Okay, just I'm pasting link in chat box and then I request Dr. Maulik to you can start once again for gate related preparation. Thank you so much. Yeah, Dr. Maulik. That's it.
Bandoo sir. I will share again.
Yeah, you can start.
Yes, yes. So I have discussed about the GPAT examination. So after GPAT, the another exam is GATE exam. So you think this exam is for engineering student, why pharmacy student should appear? So it is not like that. GATE exam, it is equally important for pharmacy student. So this is its GATE examination which already has completed for this year, but you can appear it for next year. Like form for GATE exam will come in August, and the last date will be like September or October, and then the exam will be on February first, starting from first week of February. Different subjects are there. Like for pharmacy student, two important subjects you can appear for. If you have good skill in chemistry, then you can give exam in chemical science. And if you have good skill in other all the subject, then you can appear GATE in life science subject. So this is all about GATE examination. So again, GATE exam pattern. So general aptitude. So first five question will be general aptitude question, which carry 1 marks, and technical plus engineering, mathematical, or chemistry subject for chemical and life science will be from 1 to 25. The first 25 question will be of 1 marks, and after next 30 question will be of 2 marks. So total 100 marks paper. Okay, these 100 marks paper will be there, out of which you have to score minimum 35% to qualify GATE examination. So I have given last year cutoff. So highest marks in life science subject is 74.33 out of 100. Same correct answer. One correct answer will give you 1 marks, and the wrong answer will deduct 0.25 marks from your total count. So highest mark last year was 74.33, and the cutoff for general category was 36, for OBC 33, and for SC, ST, and physically handicapped students it is 24.5 for GATE examination. This is the cutoff for life science subject. Same is for chemical science. 1 or 2 marks is up and down. So this is about gate marks. The another exam pharmacy student can appear is UGC NET exam. UGC NET exam, again you will see that this is for BSc MSc student, but it is not like that. This exam is equally important for pharmacy student, and it comes twice in a year. Like one is in June and the another one is in December. Same, you can appear this exam in two subjects. One is life science, and the another one, if you have good chemistry, then you can also appear in chemical science subject. So two subject is there for you, and the syllabus will be like for life science. For life science, the major portion will be from pharmacology, pharmacognosy, and chemistry is there also. Some basic chemistry questions will also be asked in this life science examination. So I have discussed these two exam except GPAT. the GATE and UGC net. So for the ultimate goal for pharma student is to go to NIPER. So for giving NIPER examination, it is necessary to qualify either GPAT or GATE or UGC NET. So all these three scores are valid to give NIPER examination. Out of these three, if you have qualified any one examination, then you can appear. You can appear for NIPER examination. The other requirement is minimum 60% marks or 6.75 CGPA in your BPharm. So this is the another requirement to appear or to qualify NIPER examination. So it is not like that you have to qualify GPAT. You can also qualify GATE or you can also qualify UGC NET. You can get admission in any good CSIR lab after qualifying UGC NET examination, or you can get admission in any uh, these IITs or NITs after qualifying GATE examination. Okay, so NIPER, it is National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. The course offer are like MTech, then MBA, MPharm, MS Pharm, PhD, and recently they have started integrated PG PhD course, which is very important. People are less aware about this course, integrated PG PhD, and the cutoff is like low for this course. Okay? The mode of exam same computer-based test online, and they will ask 200 MCQ. In GPAT examination, they ask 125 questions and you have 3 hours time. 125 questions and 3 hours time. But for NIPER examination, questions are like 200 questions and the time is very less as compared to GPAT examination, that is only 2 hours. So for NIPER, you should have accuracy as well as speed. Your speed also matters here because in 2 hours you have to attempt 200 question, 200 MCQ. Each correct answer gives you 1 marks and the wrong answer will deduct 0.25 marks from your total count. So this is marking system for NIPER examination. So for NIPER with accuracy, you also should have speed. Okay. And from where you can get this practice and practice. So practice makes you perfect. There are 7 NIPERs. First, NIPER Ahmedabad, NIPER Guwahati, NIPER Hajipur, NIPER Hyderabad, NIPER Kolkata, NIPER Raipurali, and NIPER SAS Nagar. So which NIPER you have to go? Nowadays, each and every NIPER has equal, qualified, and well trained staff, so you can go for any NIPER, but still students prefer the mother NIPER, that is NIPER SAS Nagar, which was first established and it has more than 25 years of years for its establishment. After that, in 2007, government understand the importance of pharmacy and NIPER, and they open another 6 NIPER in different state of India. Okay, so right now there are a total number of 7 NIPERs, and the course offered, this is quite old. These years, so this is not for this year. Okay, this is old sheet matrix. So different subjects are there, and the sheet matrix are there. You can find out in NIPER browser. Each and every year, these seats are different in some subjects. Okay, so total 7 NIPERs and around 500 to 700 seats are there in combinedly all the NIPERs. Okay, so for these, how many scores you need to score? Okay, so the first for NIPER, okay, they have but never release score. They will give you just rank. Okay. So NIPER cutoff will be decided by number of candidate, number of seat, and difficulty level of examination. Okay. So to qualify NIPER examination, you need to attend minimum 140 to 150 question. But this is to qualify. It is not necessary that you qualify, you will get admission. Okay. So to get admission in your NIPER decided by you in the subject. Okay, in your preferred NIPER, in your preferred subject, you want admission. Like if you think I want admission in pharmaceutics department at NIPER Mohali, then you have to score first rank. Okay, so if you are in top 10, then you can only say that I will get this NIPER and the preferred subject. Okay, if you go for preferred NIPER or preferred subject, okay, you have to compromise out of two one thing, then you have to score top 50. If your rank is above 50, then you have to compromise both NIPER as well as BTEC. Okay, so this is all about NIPER JEE examination, and the tips and tricks for NIPER is like you have to prepare a timetable, you have to improve your speed. Okay, you have already read GPAT examination, full subjects, full syllabus. So you need revision, read the syllabus thoroughly and also understand the exam pattern. Focus on concept. Never schedule similar kind of topic one after another. Why? Because if you schedule one after another, you have to train your brain. Train your brain. So if you read similar kind of topic, you can easily complete the subject, but you have to choose different kind of topics. Okay, and you have to train your brain. Again, revision, read the question carefully, refer and solve previous year NIPER papers, and stay mentally and physically balanced. Okay, this is important thing for NIPER preparation. And if we look at the competitive examination, so these are the other competitive examination like for in government sector, Indian Army, government hospital, dispensary. These all government section have pharmacist vacancy like in insurance and every sector. There is a vacancy of pharmacy. Pharmacist vacancy is there. Okay. And the most important in government is drug inspector. Okay. So you can become drug inspector. And how to prepare for this government exam? So if you have read these subjects for GPAT examination, it will be very easy for you to qualify this government examination. So if you have thoroughly read all the subjects for GPAT examination, then you can easily qualify these all government examination. Okay, you just have to revise everything and no need to go for extra study. Okay, so this is all about how to succeed after the farm. Thank you very much. If you have any question,
Okay, we
you
can
can ask.
pass member.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. So, hello, respected Dr. Maulik sir. Thank you so
Uh,
much on the behalf of Springwell Pharma Private Limited for your valuable guidance. Now, guys, this session is open for question answer. Anyone have any question? Please ask. Anyone have any question? Make your camera on and ask question. Please. Anyone have any question? Yeah. Vaibhavi, you have any question? Tejashwini, Sachin, anyone have? Ruchika, anyone have any question? Please ask. Sir is PhD from Naipur Mohali. Anyone have any question? Okay. Then, anyone interested to register with our GPAT Booster course or Drug Inspector course? We are guiding for GPAT course and Drug Inspector course. Anyone is willing to join our with us? Then you are welcome. Yeah. Anyone?
Sir,
Yes, yes.
also टेल स्टूडेंट्स हाउ मतलब ये कोर्स में कैसे पर्सनलाइज ध्यान दिया जाता है, क्योंकि मैंने पर्सनली कोर्स अटेंड किया था, जो जीपैट बूस्टर कोर्स था, वो भी एक्सप्लेन करो स्टूडेंट्स को।
Yeah, you can talk, Isha. You can your experience in last years. You can express. Yeah.
ओके, एक्चुअली मैंने सुरेंद्र सर, माउलिक सर, पयाम सर एंड ऑल्सो बंधु सर, इन सबके लेक्चर्स अटेंड किए थे इन जीपैट बूस्टर कोर्स। और सर ने इतना पर्सनलाइज ध्यान दिया था कि मतलब हर रोज क्या पढ़ा और क्या नहीं पढ़ा और क्या कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए, इसके रिगार्डिंग सर एमसीक्यू भी पूछते। और बहुत सारा जो हमारे मतलब आगे आने वाले गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स है और भी ज्यादा एग्जाम्स है, जैसे कि अभी नॉट फॉर ओनली जीपैट पर गेट और बाकी भी सारे नाइपर, जैसे कि सब एग्जाम्स के ऊपर ध्यान दिया जाता है। और जैसे कि हर संडे को या फिर सैटरडे संडे जो भी मतलब लेक्चर शेड्यूल है, तो इसके हिसाब से पूरा वीक हमने क्या पढ़ा ये भी सर अच्छे से पूछते हैं। और भी गाइडेंस जो भी हमें चाहिए हम फ्रीली सर के साथ बात भी कर सकते हैं।
Yeah, thank you, Isha, for your last year experience. And guys, we are available you always for mentoring. So if you are willing to register with us, and fee is very less, and we have our own PCI syllabus for GPAT. We have designed our syllabus that I can show you people, and I can share that with you on the WhatsApp group. So you can check syllabus, you can check mentor profile, and then only you can register. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah. So now we can stop here.